Have you ever wondered where the enchanting yet deadly sirens truly came from? In ancient Greek mythology, these captivating beings are often depicted as alluring maidens, luring sailors to their doom with their melodious voices. But their origin is shrouded in mystery and drama. Once, they were the companions of Persephone, the goddess of spring, dancing and singing sweetly alongside her. When Hades abducted Persephone to the underworld, the grieving sirens were transformed. In their anguish, they were given the power to enchant and ensnare, their songs a lament for their lost friend. Their voices would weave tales of longing and despair, drawing sailors to their rocky shores where shipwrecks awaited. The sirens were not merely monsters. They were tragic figures, eternal reminders of loss and sorrow. Many brave heroes like Odysseus encountered them on their journeys, but few could resist the alluring call. The tale of the sirens is a lesson in the duality of beauty and danger, illustrating how grief can give birth to both enchantment and destruction. So, as you sail the sea of life, remember the haunting echoes of the sirens and the stories they tell.